Okay, thank you once again. You are welcome to another stage of the tutorial. Okay, at this point I'm going to explain to you this. For instance, on ground floor level you have all your block work measured as we usually do. Okay, but the point here is that there are some openings like window, door, block design, arc, and others you can deduct or take out or less from your takeoff value. So we are going to look at how you can connect your Microsoft Excel with the Planswift software all together for a quick job done. Okay, you can see this table I have drafted here. Okay, the heading is block work calculation. Okay, so here total area of wall, I am assuming that my area of wall is ground floor area, you understand? So, and these are the window openings. By my drawing I'm using, I can have doors and others. So just for example, so these are the dimensions. These are the dimension for this openings. So whatever your dimension will be, you enter them for your easy calculation, right? Okay, here is just a tabulation. We'll look at them, but the critical work is here where the yellow cell is. So you're going to connect this with your Microsoft Excel with your Planswift. So let's right click anywhere on the screen and look at it. You will see Planswift takeoff. So we want the result where the yellow cell is. So right click, go to Planswift takeoff. You understand? Here it's telling me continue. It means that there's a work I'm already doing there. It says I should continue, but I'm going to use a different way. So you see linear method of measurement. So I will take linear method of measurement, and this one is going to open your Planswift software for you. So you go and check it. You see, right? So it's opening that particular linear measurement for you. So let's name it, let's say ground floor, ground floor wall, let's assume so. Okay, just for easy reference. So you click OK. So the work starts. So it is the wall we are calculating. So let's pick them and go accordingly. Center line to the end. Right click, you stop. You know how to continue, right? Right click, continue. So you can select it for easy. You continue here. So pick it right here. You go to the next end, because that black spot square is the column work. So that's why we are stopping, right? And we start at after the column or pillar, right? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so okay, we're going to do all, continue all of them till you are done with the last end. Okay, so since this is just a tutorial, I'm going to do it to some extent and leave it to be continued by learners at this point. Okay, continue. Okay, I think I'll end it at this point just for explanation. So we end it here. Good. So you can then see from this end that it has given us the linear measurement that it is 19.7 meters. You see, so if you go back to your Excel, you will see that this measurement will be recorded there. So we have it already. So let's go back to our Excel right now. 19.66. You get it? As the cursor is on the yellow cell, you can see from this corner of it, see, okay, that item name ground floor wall property is linear measurement total. You get it? So it's connected for you, don't have to do much work. So now this dimension, I entered them as I have it in the drawings, and I mentioned they are in meters. The units are in meters. So here I have just formatted the cell. You can format it the way you want. So it's just saying that the block work, the height of it is, since we say ground floor, the height should be, let's say, 3 meters or 2.4. 3 meters. So 3 meters times this area, okay, will give us this result. This is just format. Will give us this result. You get it? Give us this result. So this is the end result, 58.98 area. You get it? This is in linear measurement, okay, and this is by the height. So L times H, giving you an area. So here is an area. You get it? Here is an area, which is the same thing as here. Just a calculation. You get it? It's just a calculation. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Yes, for a matter of arrangement. Okay, I hope you understand. So this area here is calculation of the area. You see, so 0.6 times 0.6 area for window 1. They are 7 number. They are 7 number. These are all in number. I guess let me just enter the number for easy reference so that I can easily understand that they are in number. Okay, yeah, let me do the other end too. Okay, good. Okay, but the SL will not allow me. You can see this end is since that they are all not well formatted. You see, that is why I left them in the just numeral numbers. See, so just understand that they are in numbers. So this window 1, 7 of them, window 4, 3 of them. Okay, so for simple calculation, from here I know 0.6 by 0.6 is here. You get it? By this number 7. The same thing happens to this end. So you do those things, this formatting of the SL, then automatically generated down here. So you can see as the SL is formatting that all these window openings are deducting or lessing from this particular total area. Okay, and these red cells here I have indicated for you to know that they are less or deducting from it. So it means that after deducting all your openings, you are left with this area 52.14 meter square. So I hope you can quickly wrap this how to get the openings out of the wall that you taken together. Okay, thank you. We go to the next item. Okay, very, very important if you want to look at estimating here. Okay, good. At this point, the topic here is that we want to know the number of blocks needed. The number of blocks, please note it, the number of blocks. The mortar, we have not tackled the mortar, and the cement, you have not tackled workmanship order. We just want to know the number of blocks for an area of block work. Okay, you can see from this heading, block work calculation sheet. So if you understand this concept, you can draft your own SL to suit what you are doing. Okay, so right now from this description, I am saying here that from my footing walls and the ground walls, these are the values I'm going to work with. Okay, so right now I want to bring the values from my for my Planswift, just as we did it up here. This yellow cell, we're going to do the same thing. So you click here, so right click, a plan shift takeoff. So you know we need, for it is block where we need linear for easy reference. So this will open a new distance. So you will say let's see, wall calculation, block calculation. Let me do it so for you to understand how it goes. Okay, block calculation. Okay, so we go. Good. So we are going to take a new path. Okay, this time around let me take a different area so that for easy understanding. Okay, can zoom in and out and continue. And can end it here. You continue. Okay, it's for footing. Okay, so good. I think this should be okay. This blue takeoff, I want to keep it that way because it's a tutorial. You can do all the necessary walls you needed here. Okay, so can see from here block weight calculation is giving us 13.2 meters. Okay, so we go back to your Excel, the value will be entered automatic. So let's go to our Excel. Okay, our Excel, sorry, good. You can see the value here, it's in linear, so automatically it's here for you to work with. So let's do the same thing with ground floor. So you right click, plan shift takeoff, take linear measurement, it will open. Okay, so block calculation 2. Okay, click OK. Yeah, so let's take another area for easy understanding. Okay, can zoom in and out. You stop, you start. Okay, click here, click here, you stop, you start. Okay, where again? Let me take another one from here. And you need to take when it comes to block weight, it is better you start with the center line, because where they are meeting, how do you connect them? So the best place to take off is the center line, particularly for walls and even for other areas too. Okay, so I'll end it here since it is just a tutorial for you to understand. So you can see the pink area automatically is giving me is 20.0. So it is already now in your Excel. So let's go back to our Excel. So it's already here. See, so we have these two values to work with. So it's connected to the Excel, Planswift. So now I am telling you that my block work height for the footings, it is 1.5 meters. Okay, and also the ground floor, I'm telling you that it is 3 meters high. Okay, so by that area, so I have a length here, I have what height here, I multiply it 2. So let's check the here. So you have the format here, the same thing with here. Okay, good. So these are the total a total area. It comes down to this area, you see. Okay, so I have an area of 79.785 meters square to check the number of blocks required there. Okay, nearly 80 meters square. Okay, so now I am noticing or taking data here in this area. Please note here that one block area, please note one block area. You see that in Ghana, that's why I stated in GH. So it depends on your locality, the size of blocks you are using as standard blocks. So in Ghana, we have a 0.45 meter long, or the length, the height 0.2. So this I need these two surface. I don't need to know either the block is 6 inches or 5 inches or 3 inches. I need to know the surface area of it, because the block work we work with these areas they are in areas, so I need area here to check. So I don't need how thick it should be, either 6 inches, 2 inches, 3. I don't need it. I need it in the surface area, so I need length and height. So this is Ghana block size standard. Okay, so now let's look at the other this thing. So now let's look at this area and take note here. Okay, 1 block area with mortar. Please note here, I want to say it again. 1 block area with mortar. This area first, it is 1 block area. We wouldn't need it, but I want you to understand that it is from this that we are working it. Okay, so from here we come to block area where there's a mortar attached if you lay it. I hope you understand. I believe you understand. As a building people, you should understand from this point that when you lay mortar with a block, it takes an area of it. So you have to take the block area with the mortar so that you know. If not, the calculation wouldn't go right. So now, based on that, we can move forward. Okay, so let's look at the number of blocks or quantity of blocks or pieces of blocks that I should be needing in the area I take off here, from here, these two. So it's a template you are doing for yourself and use it for other calculation. Okay, so right now from this table, okay, so this 79.79, it is the total area we brought from here. This automatically we brought here. Okay, so now this block area plus mortar, let me explain that area again. The length we have here 0.45, it is plus 1 inch. You see, 1 inch, 25 mm. You see, 25 mm. So for 25 mm should be added to this value and get this. The same thing comes to here. So by that purpose, you have a total area of this. Okay, I hope you get it. So let me take this unit. It's supposed to be in meter square, so let me indicate it for you to see for easy understand. Let me format my Excel here. I'll come back to that. Okay, good. This is the unit. Okay, so this area we are going to use it. So this area also comes here. So you can see block plus mortar meter square, this one. Okay, and then total block work. You see, you understand these two. Good. So now simple mathematics. So now total block area, this particular one is here, divided by this one. Okay, so by formula you now have this. So it is telling you that this is the number for 79.9 meters square. By my size of blocks, I should have 671 pieces of blocks. Okay, I hope this is clearly done.